So, in order to score your student scores or to enter student scores and data on SchoolNet, you'll need to actually go to the test. And so, once you're in the test and the test detail, you should be able to go to Score Test. If you click on Score Test, we'll give it a second. You should see your sections and all of your students' information on the left-hand side. You can either do this on a computer or an iPad. And obviously, if you do it on an iPad, you can just sort of touch the answer. But nonetheless, here are the answer questions that the students were asked. And you would simply go through and select the answers that the student chose. And once you've done that for all of the questions, and of course, depending on how many questions there are, will make a difference on how long it takes you to do this. But let's just say, in this case, I think I have 20 questions. So again, if I'm looking at the answers, it doesn't take very long to do that. And then I'll go to save. Actually, you want to make sure that you actually get it marked. Okay, I'm going to click save. And then once we've done that, then we go on to the next student. And there we go. And then we start with this. As you can see, there are already scores in here for this student, but let's just say there weren't. Then you could do it that way. Or, of course, the other way is by using the benchmarks, Scantron type scan sheet that you do with benchmarks. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email. If you'll also notice, just in case, you may see if you have multiple multiple courses that you teach, like language arts and math, because you teach all of those things, you may see the students in different places. However, you'll want to make sure that if it's a language arts test, that you're doing it under language arts. If you're doing it under math, you make sure it's a math. That you're uploading the scores under math. So just make sure that you put it in the appropriate course so the data follows the course. And I think that is it. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.